Imagine a region stretching from high mountain tops through temperate woodland, subtropical forests and equatorial jungles, past great rivers, lakes and mangroves, to a coastline fringed by glorious sandy beaches, cave-riddled cliffs and pinnacles. Imagine a vast archipelago scattered across 5,000 kilometers of ocean. Great volcanoes mark the horizon, surrounded by seas and coral gardens teeming with fish, and providing havens for turtles and dolphins. See migrating birds in their thousands, sweeping down from their Arctic breeding grounds to flock along the tropical coasts and wetlands. Look upon the extraordinary variety of wildlife in this great expanse. Elephants, deer, and wild cattle stalked by stealthy predators. Great apes, gibbons, strange proboscis monkeys foraging in the treetops, wide-eyed tarsiers, giant reptiles, and a vast complexity of gorgeous butterflies and beetles. For this was Southeast Asia before the creation of concrete jungles with their rapidly multiplying populations, destructive saws and machines. Now, this is the home we call ASEAN, where nations draw their boundaries across mountain chains, through tropical forests and across the coral seas. Can we still find these riches? Can we still wonder at their beauty or be inspired by their perfection? It is not too late. We can save examples of our natural heritage. Let our children and their children understand where they come from. Let them take pride in the environments that shape our varied cultures. Let them benefit from the bountiful uses and ecological services this rich biodiversity has to offer. Biodiversity is the very heart of our environment. It is the total richness of all the living forms and life processes of our planet. Biodiversity includes the full range of ecosystems, their component species, and the genetic variety of those species produced by nature or shaped by man. Biodiversity brings enormous benefits to mankind, from direct harvesting of plants and animals for food, medicine, fuel, construction materials and other uses, to aesthetic, cultural, recreational and research values. Benefits to ecosystems include climate and water regulation, the creation and protection of soils, helping to reduce floods and soil erosion, shoreline protection, and providing natural controls of agricultural pests, all of which promote creative evolution. Within the ASEAN region alone, these services are estimated to be worth $200 billion per annum. Biodiversity is our wealth. It is our shared natural heritage. The natural world is not just a collection of magnificent and wonderful species. The people of ASEAN also depend upon the vast biodiversity around them to supply their daily needs. Millions of people depend on sustainably harvested fish, timber, and fruits for nutrition and their livelihoods. It's been estimated that 80% of the income of the rural poor is derived from the local biodiversity. Wood remains the most common fuel throughout the region. In fact, much of the leap in development of the countries of ASEAN during the period of 1970 to 1990 was founded on the sale of commercial timbers. Evidence of man's dependence is everywhere. Not only do most of ASEAN's original cultures embrace the concept of maintaining a healthy balance with nature, but the biodiversity of the region also forms an integral part of these living cultures. Peoples of ASEAN have domesticated the elephants and jungle fowl. They've trained the monkeys to collect coconuts. They've bred crocodiles and fish, and they've nurtured rice, vegetable crops, and exquisite fruits. To lose our biodiversity would be to lose our culture. To lose our culture would be to lose our identity. The ASEAN dream could so easily become the ASEAN nightmare.
Download this episode and more Terra at lifeonterra.com.